Yesterday I was asked for a build that has sports and has old TV shows and movies, I believe. And the one I can recommend, which I haven't mentioned on this channel for quite some time, is the only sports build. So I installed it this morning using the downloader code that you see at the beginning of the video, and I did have trouble installing it. You install the fork, and what happens is I don't know, it didn't have permissions or whatever like that. Normally when you install a Kodi fork, it'll come up, you know, like with any app, you know, grant permissions, and it didn't. So I had to go into the settings on my Fire TV Cube and just go to the permissions bit, and it said denied, and I just had to click on allow, and then it worked. The wizard came up. You didn't have to use the URL, and I managed to install the build. Once the build was installed, give it a bit, then close it, shut it down, and then relaunch it. Because I noticed there are some widgets on there. It's only a one-page sports build, but they have some movie widgets on there. So you can tell if it's working or not. If you press up and it's just blank on the top, then you know you better just shut it down. Shut it down, do a full stop, clear cache, relaunch it. After the wizard and everything kicks in, it should be fine. So the only sports build, this is the background pictures of that build. If you want to know how to install it, if you can't work it out, you can check the Uncut link in the video description.